In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Stan Store link to TikTok. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your store connected to your profile so your audience can easily find and shop your offers. Let's start on your Stan Store. Go ahead and log into your Stan account using your usual details. Once you're on your main dashboard, take a moment to look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your store's unique URL. This is the link that takes people directly to your Stan Store. Click on that URL once and it should automatically copy to your clipboard. If nothing seems to happen, you can also right-click and choose copy or use your device's usual copy shortcut. Just make sure that link is now copied because we're going to paste it into TikTok next. Now, open TikTok and log into the account where you want to promote your Stan Store. Ideally, this should be a TikTok business account or at least the main profile you use to post content related to your offers. Once you're logged in, go to your profile page. You'll see an option that says Edit Profile. Tap or click on that and a pop-up window or new screen will appear with different fields you can update such as your name, username, and bio. Here's the key part. If your account has at least 1,000 followers, you should see a dedicated field labeled Website. This is where TikTok allows you to add a clickable link. Click into that website field and paste the Stan Store link you copied earlier. Take a quick look to make sure the link looks correct and that there are no extra spaces. If you don't have 1,000 followers yet, don't worry, you can still share your Stan Store. In that case, you might not see the website field at all. Instead, scroll to the bio field in the same Edit Profile screen. Click into your bio and paste your Stan Store link there. While this link may not always be clickable for every user, it still tells people exactly where to go, and many viewers will copy or type it into their browser. When you're done, look toward the bottom of the pop-up or page and click Save. TikTok will update your profile, and your Stan Store link will now appear either in the website field or in your bio, depending on your follower count. And that's it. Your Stan Store is now connected to your TikTok profile, making it much easier for viewers to become customers.